Well, welcome back to the Fox Shop, everybody. It's a nice day out today. It's probably 72, 70, I don't know, 72, 75. It's pretty warm out today. I got the 93 out here, got her running. She needs a new battery, but that's the truck we're fixing up, and to do that, I'm using this bed. And I got the panel cut out that I need cut out. And this is why these old Fords in the 90s rusted out, because they have this, it's called the inner wheel well, and it just collects all kinds of crud down in here. And you can't wash it out. I mean, it's almost impossible to get in there and wash it out. This came from somewhere down in southern Iowa, so not quite as much salt and stuff, so the bed's not rusted out quite as bad. But I think I'm just gonna get rid of this thing. I did that on my green truck. I didn't put those back in. I put some supports and stuff. So that may be what I do. But I got that cut out, and now I think I'm just gonna, I don't know how it spot welds up in here, I guess. Knock it all out of there and just get rid of it, and then we'll get the new patch panel welded in there. I couldn't even remember how I did it, so I had to look up some old pictures on how I did my green truck. I'm tired. There's a lot of stuff going on. Went up to my daughter's, she had a prom thing last night, didn't get home till, 10:30, something like that. And then there's a lot of other family things going on. So, and I've got this stupid thing. I'm having surgery on that sometime this next week. Not a major thing, just outpatient type of thing. And then my daughter's coming down for several days. But anyway, got that cut out. But that's why these old Ford trucks in the 90s, probably the 80s too, that's why they rust out. You just cannot get up in here. You can't wash all this crud out of here. You get salt and rocks and all kinds of stuff up in there, and it's just can't do it. So anyway, guys, I'm doing this side because it's been a while since I've done this. Did it on the green truck, and it's been a little while, and so I'm doing this side first, just kind of showing you what's going along here, and I'll try to make a real video on the other side when I know what the heck I'm doing for sure. But this isn't in very good shape anyway. I mean, yeah, look at that. It's rusted out, but the metal all up underneath here, it's all good. It's all good from way down here, just a couple little spots. But I cut it out just like I did on my green truck, and gonna put the patch panels in. And maybe I'll show that, but I need to get that out of there. I'm tired, and I think I'm gonna go up the house. This is really short, but I thought I'd put something out there for you. So anyway, guys, that's why these old Fords rust out. So I'm gonna get that out of there and get the patch panel put in, and on the other side I'll try to make a full video for you on that. So anywho, hope you're having a good night, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.